Hello, my name is Diana Morris from Edukea Institute. Today we are going to learn English language, and our topic of today is about communicate through writing. We are going to read a passage which is about the heart, the engine of the body. We start by saying that the heart is an engine of the body, of the animal's body. It is not only the central organ that keeps the body going, but also keeps the body perfect and nourished. But the question remains, what is the heart? The heart is a hollow muscle which pumps blood through the blood vessels in all parts of the body. The blood pumped by the heart provides the body with oxygen and nutrients needed by the body to continue functioning and removing unwanted waste from the body, such as carbon dioxide and other toxins. You can see that the definition of heart, we are told that the heart is a hollow muscle which pumps blood through the blood vessels and all parts of the body. The blood pumped by the heart provides the body with oxygen and nutrients needed by the body to continue functioning and removing unwanted materials from the body. And the unwanted materials which the heart removes from the body are such as carbon dioxide and other toxins which can affect the body. If the heart fails to supply blood to the body organs and tissues, those organs or tissues will be paralyzed. Paralyzing is the situation in which the organs are unable to function. As we can tell here that if the heart fails to supply blood from the body organs and tissues, this will cause these organs and tissues will be paralyzed. And also the paralyzing is the situation in which the body organs are unable to function. The size of each person's heart is like that of his or her fist. The heart works like a pump and it beats 100,000 a day and 72 times every minute. As you can see that the heart beats for a minute, 1 minute, the heart beats 72 times and it beats 100,000 per day. The heart is a hollow muscle divided into 4 cavities called auricles and ventricles. As you can see that the heart is divided into 2 cavities. The first one is auricles and the second one is ventricles. At the top of the left and right auricle and below are the left and right ventricle. As you can see, these 4 parts are divided. Auricles are divided into right and left, and also ventricles are divided into 2 parts, which are left part and the right part. The right auricle and the right ventricle makes up the right side of the heart, and the left auricle and the left ventricle makes up the left side of the heart. The wall that separates the 2 sides of the heart is called septum. As you can see that the hole which separates between these sides, which is auricle and ventricle, is called septum. As you can see in our diagram here, we can see the diagram of the heart, and at the top here with the red color, this is aorta. In this blue color at the right hand side, this is left auricle, and in this side is right auricle. Here down there is left ventricle and right ventricle. We are told that the right side of the heart pumps blood to the lungs to pick up oxygen and other nutrients. As you can see that the right side of the heart, which is right auricle and right ventricle, this sides, their function is to pick oxygen and other nutrients to from the lungs. This blood leaves the right ventricle of the heart via the pulmonary artery to the lungs. You can see that the ventricle of the heart via the pulmonary artery to the lungs, then returns with oxygen to the left auricle of the heart via the pulmonary vein. The left side of the heart, on the other hand, receives the oxygen which rich blood from the lungs and pumps it to the body. This oxygenated blood leaves the heart via the left auricle to the aorta, and from there it enters the arteries and capillaries, where it supplies the body's organ with oxygen and nutrients. At the end, this blood, which was once oxygenated, becomes deoxygenated, and the deoxygenated blood will have to return to the heart via veins to the vena cava, and hence it re-enters the heart right auricle. As you can see, our passage was about the heart, and we were being explained about how the heart functions, how the heart pumps blood from one part to another part, and how oxygenated blood is changed to deoxygenated blood and also returned direct to the heart in order to be purified. After seeing our passage, we are going to look the exercise below, which will mark the end of our topic for today. And we start by saying that these are comprehension questions. Answer the following questions in your exercise book. The first question says that mention 3 functions of the heart in the body. Which do you think that are the functions of the heart in the body? You are supposed to mention only 3 functions of the heart in the body. The second question says that explain what will happen to a person if the heart stops working. What do you think that will happen if your heart or the heart of a person stops working? So you will answer the second question. The third question says that how many heartbeats in 3 minutes? How many heartbeats in 3 minutes? As you can see that in 1 minute the heart beats 72 times. And what do you think that 3 minutes will take the heart to beat? The first question says that how many cavities the heart has. Name the function of each cavity of the heart. In the fourth question, you are required to mention the cavities of the heart, and after mentioning the cavity of the heart, you are supposed to give a function of each cavity of the heart. The fifth question states that how the blood leaves the heart and re-enters the heart. How do you think that the blood leaves the heart and also re-enters the heart? After looking at 5 questions, this marks the end of our lesson for today. See you again in next period.